In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use generate text effects in Adobe Firefly. We'll start right from a fresh browser so you can follow along easily. Open your preferred browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. You're looking for the official Adobe Firefly result from Adobe's website. Click that link to open Firefly. If you're prompted to sign into your Adobe account, go ahead and do that. You'll need access to use the creative features. Once the Firefly homepage loads, look for the option labeled Generate and select it. This takes you into Firefly's creative workspace. From there, choose Image. Inside the image tools, you'll see a section for text effects. Click Text Effects to open the dedicated interface for stylizing words with AI-driven designs. Depending on your region or account, this may open the text effects experience that runs inside Adobe Express and is powered by Firefly, which is exactly what we want. Now enter the word or phrase you want to style in the main text field. Keep it short and impactful. Brand names, headlines, or a single word often look best because the effect reads clearly. Make sure spelling and capitalization are exactly how you want them, since the look applies directly to the characters you type. Next, open the effects controls. You'll see a pen icon that lets you write or edit the descriptive prompt for your style. Click that pen icon. This prompt tells Firefly what visual texture or material to apply inside the letters. For example, you can type neon liquid typography. Think of this as your creative direction. Use clear nouns and vivid descriptors, materials like glass, metal, neon, wood, or chocolate. Finishes like glossy, matte, or iridescent. And optional vibes like retro, futuristic, or minimal. Keep it concise and specific for the most consistent results. With your text and prompt ready, click Generate. Firefly will process your request and render styled text based on your description. Give it a moment, then review the output. If the look isn't quite there yet, don't worry. Simply adjust the prompt with more specific words like bright neon liquid typography, glowing edges, reflective highlights, and generate again. Small wording changes often produce noticeably different results. That's the full workflow. Search for Adobe Firefly. Open the Generate area, choose Image, switch to Text Effects, type your text, open Effects, click the pen icon, write your prompt such as neon liquid typography, and then generate. Follow these steps, refine your prompt as needed, and you'll quickly create striking stylized text ready for your next design.